Imagine a car so bold, so elegant, and so perfectly sculpted that even after 60 years, it can still stop traffic with a single glance. This is the 1961 LeSabre Convertible, a masterpiece that proves American classics were built different. What's up, everyone? Subscribe to my channel and make sure you stay locked in, because today we're diving into one of the most breathtaking pieces of American automotive history ever to roll across the pavement, the 1961 Buick LeSabre Convertible. Before we get into the full story, go ahead and smash that like button, drop a comment, and let me know what classic car you want to see next, because this channel is all about bringing the rare, the iconic, and the downright legendary machines back into the spotlight. Now let's talk about a car that doesn't just show up, it arrives. The 1961 Buick LeSabre Convertible is the kind of vehicle that looks like it knows exactly what it is. A masterpiece sculpted in steel, chrome, and attitude. Buick wasn't playing around in 1961. They were in the middle of redefining American style with elegance and raw presence. And the LeSabre was the crown jewel for drivers who wanted flair without losing comfort. This thing wasn't just transportation, it was a statement from the moment it left the showroom floor, a rolling symbol that said you were going places and you wanted the world to know it. Just imagine this scene. It's 1961. Gas is cheap, highways are opening up across the country, and the American dream is literally paved right in front of you. You walk into a Buick dealership, and there it is, a long, sleek convertible with lines drawn by someone who clearly understood the power of curves. The front end looks like a polished piece of chrome sculpture, the kind of design that captures the light, whether you're cruising through a city at midnight or rolling along a sunny coastal road. The LeSabre's wide grille stretches across the entire front, giving it a confident, almost predatory stare, like it's ready to glide down the street with grace and authority. This ride holds an energy that's nearly impossible to replicate today. Cars were designed to be dramatic back then. They were big, bold, and unapologetically stylish. When you look at that 1961 LeSabre Convertible, you're seeing a moment in time when automakers still believed cars should feel like luxury suites on wheels. Buick loaded these things with features that made them feel truly high-end, from power steering to buttery, smooth Dynaflow, automatic transmissions, and interiors that wrapped you in comfort. And speaking of interiors, Buick wasn't cutting corners. Slide behind the wheel and you're greeted by that sweeping dashboard, chrome accents, and upholstery that looks as plush as a vintage Hollywood lounge. The seats weren't just seats, they were padded thrones where you could sink in and cruise for hours without feeling the slightest bit of discomfort. Every dial, every switch was designed with purpose and elegance, blending together a style that holds up even today. People talk about mid-century design in homes and furniture. Well, Buick was doing the same thing in their cars with craftsmanship you can still feel when you sit in one 60-plus years later. And then there's the engine. Under that long hood sat Buick's Wildcat V8, a power plant that delivered smooth acceleration and a satisfying growl that let you know you were commanding real muscle. Sure, compared to modern engines, the numbers might sound modest, but horsepower was measured differently back then, and torque was king. This engine didn't care about being loud or flashy. It was built to cruise, to devour long stretches of open road with barely any effort, to glide effortlessly while giving you that strong, steady push whenever you tap the gas. It was refinement and power rolled into one. But one thing that really sets the 1961 Buick LeSabre Convertible apart today is how perfectly it blends classic styling with the custom touch. A lot of these cars have been bagged, meaning they've been fitted with air ride suspension that allows them to drop down low. And I mean low, giving the car that dramatic, ground-hugging presence you see at shows. When a 61 LeSabre Convertible sits aired out, it looks like liquid metal poured across the asphalt. Those long fenders, the beautiful body lines, the huge rear quarter panels, they all take on a completely different attitude. It becomes a piece of rolling art. Bagging one of these cars doesn't take away from its originality. Instead, it amplifies its natural elegance, making it look like the designers in 1961 somehow predicted the future of car culture. And when you see one of these restored and customized today, especially in colors like deep metallic reds, creamy pearl whites, rich blacks, or stunning two-tone combinations, it's almost unreal how much presence a single car can have. People stop, conversations start, cameras come out, kids point, adults remember. This is the kind of car that bridges generations. Even people who don't know a thing about classic cars can't help but stare. There's something magical about a convertible from the early 60s gliding by top down, wind slicing through the cabin, engine humming, chrome sparkling. It feels like stepping into a time machine and taking a piece of history out for a ride. Owning one of these today is like holding on to a piece of American soul. Cars like the '61 LeSabre Convertible remind us of a time when design wasn't dictated by computers, when style mattered as much as function, when automakers were competing to create the most beautiful machines possible. Every angle of this car has intention. Every line contributes to the flow. Every detail looks like it was carefully debated by designers who loved cars not just as objects, but as dreams made real. Imagine taking it out on a warm summer evening, the sky turning gold, the wind carrying that unmistakable scent of gasoline and fresh air, the V8 rumbling beneath you. You lean back, one hand on the wheel, and feel the road stretching out ahead. In moments like that, you're not just driving a car, you're experiencing a story, a memory, a moment that reminds you why people fall in love with machines like this in the first place. So if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button because we've got more classics, more builds, more automotive history coming your way. And if you appreciate the beauty of the 1961 Buick LeSabre Convertible, drop a comment and tell me what color you'd want yours in. Would you go all original, custom, bagged, restimid? Let me know. I love hearing your ideas. Thanks for watching, thanks for riding along, and stay tuned because the next video is going to be just as legendary. Until then, keep those engines running, keep dreaming big, and I'll catch you in the next one.